Is February 4th. On my way to a match at Thunder Gun Range over in New Caney. I think this will be the first time I'm shooting a CZ at Thunder, I think. Anyway, hoping to just go fast, transition faster, shoot faster. Usually Thunder is my nemesis and I do okay, never anything spectacular. They tend to have courses that are a little bit more technically difficult. A lot more movement on the stage, but I like that, it challenges me. So if I can escape tonight with no deltas and mics and no shoots, I'll count that as a win. All right, guys.
I'm just walking today.
I'm gonna go next one to give Joel time. Yeah.
Byron. Theo's on deck. Tony in the hole. You can pop Waldo whenever in there too. Okay. Want to go next? Okay. Waldo's on deck.
Let's go, big dog.
Slide. Whoops. Hey, can I get somebody to bring some pasters?
I got it.
Okay. We got. I should have just took the two alphas.
Just took them. Hey, those are nice A's right there.
Hey, you got some more tape?
Yep, I'm coming.
Okay.
What?
One here. I'm trying to do right.
Black tape.
Gotcha.
That's probably why they didn't see it, because it was black.
Yeah, that was me. Had the flashlight on it and everything.
Just cover it up with a brown one. It is what it is. That just makes me know where not to shoot.
If you hit the brown tape on the black cover, it's the hole in the cover.
All right, just double checking now. Hey, look, I might have should have kept them.
No, take that.
Ah,
Right,
damn.
down ready, there is clear. Load and make ready.
Oh wait, I forgot. That ain't gonna go that way. They don't like that mag.
I'll probably be like that, be like that next
It don't say I have to be squared up, so I'm gonna cheat you.
Shooter, are you ready? Are you ready? Stand by. Stand by. If you're unfinished.
Oh.
3, 9, 0, 8. I got Alpha Charlie, 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha. Alpha Charlie.
Let me run it real quick in my head so I'm ready.
Alpha Delta.
Straddle here.
2 Alpha, 2 Alpha.
Straddle here. Jump back. Pow, 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 pow.
2 Charlie. Alpha Charlie, all scored. Brian, you want to see it? Yeah. All right, sir. All right. I have my microphone down, so I yell
1, 2, 3.
No, it's all right. That's all right.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Byron, Big P, the shooter.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
The shooter.
Come on. Here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Theo is on deck. Tony's in the hole. Dan's in the deep hole. And the final shooter.
6, 7, 8. Ooh, no. Got to do 2 on those. I was trying to see if I could just burn it down.
Make ready. Hey, ready. Stand by. finish on those just clear. Just clear. Come down, man. Hold clear.
Whew.
Right, just clear.
That was shocking for me. I'm tired.
2946.
2946.
I beat, what was it, 32 shots? I beat it by a little bit.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Woo!
2 alpha.
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 Oh shit.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
What the fuck?
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Byron, you can go faster, man.
I was, no.
You can go faster.
Dude.
He's sandbagging.
No. That was 32 shots to be, hold on, back up. 32 shots to be,
You shot like 40.
You did great.
what was the time?
Right here, 2946.
Shit, that'll
Good
work.
job,
Fuck
man.
y'all, man. Usually with that much running, I'm way behind the
All them
pace.
alphas, you can speed up.
How many alphas was there?
All but one.
Shit. I'm tired as fuck. I thought I was gonna drive until the
job,
wheels
man.
fell off.
Good job.
It ain't Bryant now, it's Byron this time, right?
White lights.
Bryant got a redo.
Big B is a shooter. Theo on deck.
Make ready.
Tony's in the hole.
Red.
And then
So just standing right here behind it.
Yes, sir. Are you ready? Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, unload and show clear. Hammer down the holster.
2653.
Ah,
Yes,
take
sir.
it.
They call us
Clear.
out. 2 alpha.
Whew.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Tired as hell.
2 alpha. 2 alpha.
I'm tired.
Alpha Charlie.
Woo.
I'm good now.
I'm tired, man. Need some oxygen.
2 alpha. Alpha Charlie. 2 alpha. Alpha Charlie.
Whew.
Good job.
What you say go fast, Dr. Smack?
You can go faster, Byron.
No, I cannot.
Look at that.
But do you, how many rounds was that? 28? And that was a lot of boogieing.
But your 2 shots are in the alphas.
Always.
you need
Alpha,
is
alpha,
10.
alpha. How many alphas you need to shoot, Byron? There you go.
I wasn't aiming. I saw one sight picture and just spray it. It's, hey man, it's working.
2 alpha. What you got back there? 2 alpha. 2 alpha.
Johnny over here.
What you got?
Jump
Alpha
back.
Charlie.
1, 2, 3.
Charlie.
Reload.
2 alpha.
2 alpha. 2 alpha.
Hell no.
2 Charlie, 1 no shoot.
2 Charlie. 1 no shoot. 2 Charlie. Hey! Come on, Dwayne. It's on the hostage, bro. Come on, man.
Alpha don't have
So it's gonna have to be.
I was in the rest of the group in the next presentation.
Yep. That's why
I knew it.
I made a mic back there because I did it right on. Big B's our shooter. Theo's on deck. Tony's in the hole. Dan's in the deep hole.
You take a break next time, boss.
Mike Tyson puncher. Yeah, you'll never know until you get hit.
Can you take that out?
You could have left him. You could lead him alphas.
I don't have life.
Yeah, lead those. I'll just shoot near it and take the alphas that are already on there.
You're the shooter, B. You're the shooter.
Is I?
Yeah.
I'm coming up.
All out.
I'll make sure they was.
All out.
Okay. As long as my toes are touching, it don't matter where I'm at on that. Okay.
Make ready.
Remember, you get over here, reload.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, unload and show clear. Clear, I'm down holster. Right, just clear. 2177.
I got that one right there.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. I don't have any of those back there though.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha. 2 Alpha.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
2 Charlie.
Ah, too far over.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha. All scored. Come on, B. You can go faster, man.
No, that's a lot of running. I'll take that.
Hey, good shooting today.
How many?
Good shooting.
19 and 4.
Shoot, yeah, man. You putting it down.
Oh, thank you. I'll fight with that mag when I get home. It's being a bitch. After match recap of the Thunder match, USPSA match at Thunder Range over in New Caney. Typical fashion. Stage 1 was fast, but I was a little overzealous with my speed, and it cost me a mic, and it cost me a mic no shoot, which tanked my score on stage 1. But after that, I kind of went into how do you call it, badass mode, or shifted into a better mindset. And on stage 2, 32 rounds, I had 31 alphas and 1 Charlie, and I was right at 29 seconds. Ended up with a hit factor of 5.3. For me to be doing that much movement on stage 2 and still get a good time and a good hit factor, I'll take that as a win. Stage 3 was kind of the same thing. I had 25 alphas and 3 Charlies, hit factor of 5.0. Stage 4, there was 19 alphas, 2 Charlies, time of 21 seconds, like a 4.63 hit factor. There was a lot of movement on all the stages, but I was unusually faster between targets and shots, which made my hit factor and time very good. Overall, man, I had a good time. I performed at levels I didn't think I could perform at, so it kind of boosted my confidence. Overall, it was a good match. I have nothing bad to